hello everybody. Good morning. Everybody say good morning. 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Hello. Come back to study with me in the topic decimals. Everybody say decimals. Again, decimals. Good job. Study with teacher Min Lian. Yes, study with teacher Min Lian. Wow, it's me last year. Never mind, forgot it. Okay, before we study today, I want you to try to read some example of decimal. I circle and you read the number that I circle. Yes, 0.7. Yes, 2.2. Just example. Okay, go to this topic, read and write, that we learned last time. 6. What is the value of number 6? This is 600. The value is 600. Okay, the same as last time. Remember? Okay. Number 6 is in hundreds. Hundreds. How about number 7? Tens. Tens. 9. Ones. After that, we don't say anything. And number 3 is in tens. Number 2, hundreds. Number 8, thousands. Okay, good job. How can you read this number? Tick tock. Okay, read together. 679.328. So the topic today is about plus and minus decimals. Everybody say plus and minus decimal. Again, plus and minus decimals. Good job. What does mean plus? You know that. And what does mean minus? You know that. The same. Let me show you some video before you study.
Well, adding multi-digit decimal numbers works the same way. The main difference is that instead of lining up the ones place digits when we stack the numbers, we line up the decimal points instead. But wait a minute. I mean, isn't that the same thing as lining up the ones place digits? Ah, yes it is. And that's because the decimal is our reference mark that always goes between the ones place and the tenths place. So, lining up the decimal points is the same thing as lining up the ones places. It makes sure all the number places line up in columns. Now, you've probably noticed that decimal numbers can have different numbers of decimal digits. For example, 10.8 has only one decimal digit, but 5.34 has two decimal digits. And what that means is that when you line up the decimal points of the two decimal numbers, they might not form a nice column on the right edge.
Okay, look at this video. And the keyword of this topic is you have to put the decimal point in the same place. Okay, you have to put decimal point in the same place. About plus and minus. Okay, next.
Some of the digits might be missing, but that's no problem. Remember, if there's not a digit in a particular number place, you can just put a 0 there to help you keep track of things. Now that these numbers are lined up by their decimal points, we can add them column by column. But instead of starting with the ones place, like we always did with whole numbers, we start with whatever number place column is the furthest to the right. In this case, that's the hundredths place. So we'll start there. So,
we'll start on right to left.
We add the digits in each column, carrying or regrouping as needed, and we get 1614. So we're done, right? Wrong.
No.
There's one last really important step. Remember, we're doing decimal addition, so we can't just forget about that decimal point. We need to bring a copy of it straight down into our answer line, so we keep the same reference point for our number places. Now we can see that the answer is really 16.14. That's not so hard, is it? And I've got more good news. Decimal subtraction works the same way. You start by lining up the decimal points.
When you do minus or subtraction, you have to put the decimal point in the same place, the same as addition or plus, the same. You have to put at the same place.
Two numbers. Remember that the order of the numbers matters in subtraction, so be sure that the number you're taking away is on the bottom. Then, starting with whatever column is furthest to the right, you subtract the digits column by column, borrowing if you need to. After that, you just bring down a copy of the decimal point and you have your answer. Okay, so decimal addition and subtraction.
Like that, addition and subtraction. I'll give you more example. Oh, sorry. Okay, so come back to our lesson. I will give you example about plus and minus or addition and subtraction. Question number one. Question number one, we have 6. Everybody read together. 63.52. 63.52 plus what? 9.33. 9.33. Okay, let me show you. The keyword is you have to put decimal point in the same place. Okay, in the same place. Let's see together. Example. So you write down 63.52. Okay, and plus with 9.33. Good job. Do everything the same. Start from right to left. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Yes. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Good job. And look at this. 3 plus 9 equal to tick tock, 12. You write number 2 and put it here number 1. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Don't forget about decimal point. Don't forget about decimal point. Finish like that. So easy, right? Underline with your red pen. Ding, ding. Sorry, I don't have ruler. So what? So what? 63.52 plus 9.33 equal to 72.85. Easy, right? Easy. But don't forget about this one. You have to put decimal point in the same place. Okay, in the same place. Next example. Question number 2. Everybody read together question number 2. Come on. 45.336. Quickly. 19.605. Well done. Do together. You have 45.336 and plus with 19.605. Good. Okay. Sorry, I don't have ruler. Okay, plus together. Start from right to left. 5, 6 and 5. 5 and 6 equal to 11. Good. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. Okay, and this one? 9, 5, 9 plus each other. 14. 4 plus 1, 5. And this is, you have one more. 5 and 6. You get 6. Don't forget about decimal point. So the answer is, underline with your red pen. So the answer is 45.336 plus 19.605 equal to 64.941. Good. Clap your hands. Okay, next, more example. I'll show you minus or subtraction, number 3 and number 4. Let's do number 3 first. The same, if you want to minus decimal, you have to put point in the same place, okay? In the same place. You put the point in the same place. And question number 3 is, question number 3, read together. 155.32 minus what? Minus 20.12. Okay, write the number. The biggest number is 155.32 and minus with. You look, you have to put the same place as decimal point. And this is number 20 and 1, 2. So 155.32 minus with 20.12. Underline with your red pen. Thank you. Okay, next, 2 minus 2. Start from right to left. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. 3 minus 1 equal to, tick tock, so easy. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. And 5 minus 0, 5 minus 2, 3. And this one, 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Don't forget about decimal point. Good job. Underline with your red pen. Okay, easy, right? So 155.32 minus 20.12 equal to 135.20. 0.20, or you can say 135.2. Because the number 0 after decimal point, number 0 after decimal point, you don't need to write. You can write only 135.2, just fine, the same. Okay, number 4. Question number 4. Can you read with me? 984.333 minus 123.45. Okay, ready? Go. What is the biggest number? Write down. 984.333 minus 123.45. If you're not sure, you write down 0. You write 0 and underline with your red pen. 3 from right to left. 3 minus 0 equal to 3. 3. Next step, can 3 minus 5? No, cannot. You change or you borrow. 3 change to be 13, and this one will be number 2. Okay, step by step. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 equal to 8. Correct. Okay, and how about 2 minus 4? No, cannot. 2 cannot minus 4. Change 2 and borrow to be 12. Borrow from 4. Change to be 3. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 equal to 8. Yes, okay. Next step, 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Right. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. Good job. And 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Very good. Grab your hand. Everybody grab your hand again. Okay, so underline with your red pen. Underline with your red pen. Okay, everybody write so together. So what? So you forgot to put it down decimal point. Yes, so 984.333 minus 123.45 equal to 860.883. Correct. Clap your hand. Good job. Combine plus and minus together. Look question number 5. Look at question number 5 and number 6. You see? Remember that I teach you before about parentheses. Yes, this is parentheses. Ding ding, ding ding, ding ding, ding ding. Can you remember? If you see the parentheses, you do it first. If you see the parentheses, you do it first, and out of parentheses, you do it second or do it later. If you see the parentheses, you do it first, and another one will be the second, and divide it. Sorry. I hate my handwriting. And this one, divide it into 2 parts. Right? 2 parts. Come on, help me. Start from number 5. Number 5. If you see the parentheses, you do it first. What is in the parentheses? Together. 55.262. 55.62 plus 23.21. Good. Plus the number 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. And don't forget about decimal point. Good job. Next. You get the answer from the parentheses. You get the answer from the parentheses already. And then I want you to think about. I want you to think about the second step from question number 5. The second step is you write down what is the answer in the parentheses. 78.83 minus 29.4. 0.4. The same decimal. Okay, you have to put the same decimal place. Beautiful. Okay, and how the number after number 4? You can write 0. Easy, just write 0. Come on. 3 minus 0 equal to 3. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. 8 minus 9 cannot. Change to be 18 and borrow 7. Change 7 to be 6. 18 minus 9 equal to 9. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Don't forget about the decimal point. Fine. Now you get the answer. The answer is 49.43. 49.43. Okay. So what? You have to write down. So equal to 49.43. Clap your hand. Finish. The last one for today. The last one really. Okay, number 6. If you see the parentheses, you do it first. Come on, tell me what is the number in the parentheses. 108.651. And plus with 20.6. Put the same place or the same position. 20.6 and underline with your red pen. Always. Okay. If you're not sure, you can write number 0 and 0. Come on. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. 5 plus 0 equal to 5. 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Ding, ding, ding. 8 plus 0 equal to 8. And you have 1 here. 9. Okay, and this is number 0. Plus 2 equal to 2. 1 will be the same. And put this decimal point. And the line with your red pen. Okay, next step. The last one for today. Write the answer from the parentheses. Minus width 35.504. 504. Underline. I don't have ruler. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. 1. Let's see. 1 minus 4. Can or cannot? No, cannot. 1 cannot minus 4. Change 1 to be 11. And this will be number 4. 11. 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 equal to 7. 7. And next step. 4 minus 0 equal to 4. This one number 2 and number 5. Can 2 minus 5? No. Change 2 to be 12. And this one will be number 8. 12 minus 5 equal to 7, of course. Okay, next. 8. 8 minus 5 equal to 3. 8 minus 5 equal to 3. And how about this one? 2. Can 2 minus 3? No. Change 2 to be 12. And this one is 0. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 equal to 9. Good job. Finish? Yes? Okay, so you finish. Underline with your red pen. Underline with your red pen. And so, speak out loud. So together. So, blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. I write you the question. You just tell me the answer. Okay, so the answer is, I don't forget, 93.747. Clap your hand. Finish. Okay, we finished for today. Oh, we walked so long. And now it's time to do exercise. Everybody read this one with me together. Practice. Again, practice. Practice makes perfect. Again, practice makes perfect. Remember, practice makes perfect. It's time to do exercise. Today is the last time for decimal, and maybe I will see you in the next month, February. Okay, keep fighting. Next, look at your exercise. I want you to plus all together. Okay, this is number 1. Number 1 is plus. Number 2 plus. Number 3 minus. Number 4 plus. Number 5 plus. Number 6 plus. Number 7 plus. Number 8 minus. Number 9 minus. Number 10 minus. So listen, I want you to write the answer very, very beautifully. Okay, good handwriting. Write down everything beautifully. Thank you. And this is only one word. The second word is this one. I want you to print out and do this exercise by yourself. How can you, example number 1, how can you read what is it? How can you read it? 25.948. So what is the answer? 25. I see. 25.948. The answer is C. Like that. You have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 9, and number 10. The next one, I want you to matching of the answer. If you get the answer already, you write down your answer and you look what is your answer. And if example, if your answer is number 4 is A, you write A in the jar or in something. Okay, like that. So easy. And this is the last one. Write down, show me how to do. Number 1 plus, number 1 plus, number 2 plus, number 3 combined. If you see the parenthesis, do it first. If you see the parenthesis, do it first. And another one is the second. Another out of the parenthesis is the second. And don't forget 2 divided by 2, 2 step, divided by 2, 2 step. Thank you for today. I hope you try to do your homework. Don't forget, you have to put decimal point in the same position. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.